Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Palomino Puma 315 BHTS. This is the Palomino Puma, which is the cheapest fifth wheel that you can buy. The reason why is because this is built like a travel trailer. Over the past few days, we've seen travel trailers built like fifth wheels, but this is a fifth wheel built like a travel trailer. Aluminum corrugated sides with wood framing. Everything else we're seeing has aluminum framing with fiberglass sides. The reason why I love this is because it's a different variety, a different option, and it's gonna be a lot lower price point than its competitors. Coming on down the side here, we got power awnings, we got the nice steps, custom that say Puma, but what makes it special is the inside. You'll be able to see that inside, there is nothing entry level about this. Right back here, we have an awesome U-shaped dinette. Good, fits the whole family, drops down and makes a bed. Over here, the oversized Thomas Paine theater seats, I love it. Directly across is gonna be the TV. Fireplace Entertainment Center. Now, doesn't come with a TV, and I don't mind it because the price point. This MSRP is at $64,000. We do have it $10,000 discounted to $54,796. Over here in the kitchen, you can see tons of countertop space. This unit also has tons of pantry space. And as far as that price, you guys go to mattsrvreviews.com, fill out a contact tab. We will always be able to get you a better price than that. Nice refrigerator, and then look at this. Even more storage right here. This is a storage machine. What makes this particular unit special, this also has a middle bunk room. This is great for an office, for a wardrobe, whatever you need it for. It really does kick butt and take names. Coming on up here, you can see that you do have a decent sized bathroom, really good sized shower, plastic toilet unfortunately. And then to top it all off, here's the master bedroom. Now the bedroom does have a step up and the bed feels awfully low. But again, overall, what you're getting, this is the cheapest fifth wheel on the market today. Well guys, that's it. Thanks so much for checking out this quick tour of the Palomino Puma. If this is the right unit for you and you're ready to buy it, click our link down below. A member of our team will reach out to you. Or if you want to see the full review, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews Towables, to see the full, in-depth, detailed review. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you next time.